This thing feels awesome. This is a knee massager. It has a couple different modes here. It vibrates and it also heats. So the heat setting, you can see I have it on low right now. I can put it on medium and I can put it on high, okay? The vibrations, currently it's on automatic, so it kind of goes all over the place. But I can turn it down to low, right? And I can turn it to high. Now, it's hard to basically explain how it feels. But what it's doing is vibrating my knee, which actually feels pretty good. It loosens your knee up. I would say if someone has a tight knee, this is probably something that would feel really good. It's not more it says it's a massager, and it's as much as a massager as a couch is. It's basically just vibrating, but it feels really good on your knee, especially if you've been working a long day. Maybe you work in construction or something like that. I think you would actually really like this. My mother-in-law has a bad knee, and she tried it, and she was like blown away. So yeah, it's got infrared, lasers, all kinds of stuff to also help with the healing. It straps on really simple, just like this. I'll show you the inside here. Here, all your lights, and this is the vibration. USB-C charging right there. Yeah, thing's awesome.